you're selling digital products and wondering why your pages are getting traffic but not sales, it's probably because you don't have a funnel. Now, most people send visitors to a page and hope they buy. But there is no clear system behind it. No checkout optimization, no order bump, no upsell, and no way to capture emails when people leave. So, in the end, the visitor disappears and the opportunity is gone. Now, the solution is to use a mini offer funnel. So instead of sending visitors to just one page, a mini offer funnel guides them through a simple system designed to convert visitors into buyers. It usually includes something like this: a product page, and then an order form page, and then an upsell page, and lastly, a thank you page. This specific funnel also has an opt-in pop-up that captures emails from visitors who don't buy yet. So instead of losing traffic, you either make a sale or capture the lead for follow-up. In this video, I'll show you the mini offer funnel template I created, which is designed for System.io. So if you want to launch faster, this template is available in my Etsy shop, and it includes a step-by-step guide that shows you how to import and customize the funnel. Hi there, I'm Sheila. I'm a copywriter and a funnel strategist. And in this video, I'll walk you through the mini offer funnel template I built using System.io and show you how everything works step by step. Let's start by looking at the structure of this mini offer funnel and how each page works together to turn visitors into buyers. So this is how this mini offer funnel works. There are 4 pages in this funnel. First is the sales page or the product page. Its goal is for visitors to discover your mini offer and are guided toward purchasing. So there is also an optional pop-up opt-in that captures leads who aren't ready to buy yet. Now, the second page is the order form where we offer an order bump. So the customers who purchased your offer can add an additional product to increase order value. Now, the third page is the upsell page. It's a page where it offers a second product immediately after they've purchased your mini offer to increase revenue. Lastly, the thank you page. Its purpose is to deliver the product and introduce the next steps. Now, in this funnel, I've also added ChatGPT prompts for your automated email. So the first set of emails will be the 7-day email nurture sequence. So when someone goes to your sales page and they've opted in to the freebie that you've added in the pop-up, and as long as they haven't purchased the product yet, they will be able to receive this automated email sequence. The goal of this sequence is to build trust and encourage them to return and buy your mini offer. The next set of automated emails are the abandoned cart series or the abandoned cart sequence, where if someone begins checkout but did not complete their purchase, this email sequence will remind them to return and finish their order. And the last one is the post-purchase sequence. So when someone bought your mini offer, they will be able to receive this post-purchase sequence where it delivers access to the products that they have purchased, as well as the important details and follow-up emails to check in with the buyer. And then you can also offer support and invite them to leave a review or feedback to the products that they've purchased. Overall, this mini offer funnel is perfect for selling ebooks and PDF guides, templates and toolkits, mini courses, workshops and trainings, and it's best for offers that are priced around $5 to $27. Now, let me show you how each page looks like. The first page is a product page of your mini offer, and it looks like this. So the goal is for them to just purchase your mini offer, and I will scroll down. So there are proofs being put everywhere. Of course, the problem of what this mini offer solves for them, and then the features of your product, testimonials, exclusive bonus that you have. In this page, you can also introduce yourself, what you do, and why you did this mini offer, and then how it can help them. So it also adds more trust to the buyer that you really are a real person who is trying to help them solve their own problems. And then there is a summary of what they'll get, frequently asked questions. In the product page, there's also a pop-up. It looks like this, so you can edit it just in case someone opts in to your freebie and did not buy your mini offer yet. So you can send them the email nurture sequence for the freebie. And this is the second page, which is the order form. So in this part, you can now show the order bump to increase your AOV, or average order value. Once they click this one, or this one, your order bump will be added to their order. After that, even if they did not select the order bump, just the mini offer, they will still land to this upsell page where you can show another product that you have where it is priced a bit higher. So you can consider this as an upgrade of what they already bought. The goal is to increase the value of what they purchase. So in this upsell page, there is more urgency because you can tell that this offer is only available in this page, and this should be something that offers more value than what they can get in the mini offer. So in this page, you can really justify why they need this on top of their mini offer. Here, you can put more testimonials and then frequently asked questions, and still a little bit information about you, about what you do, and how this upgrade can help them. And then this is the last part where it offers them the last chance to upgrade. And lastly, the last page is the thank you page. So regardless if they have bought the order bump or the upsell that you offered, as long as they bought the mini offer in the first page, they will be able to get directed to this thank you page. In this page, you can tell them what's next, what they can expect, and how they can reach out to you once they have any questions. And you can also put some information about the bigger program or your very core offer that is more expensive than the mini offer and the upsell offer that you offered in this funnel, if that makes sense. So you can put information about it here, and you can also put a quick message to the people who bought your mini offer and the other products that comes along with what they bought. So that's it for the mini offer funnel. Again, there is a product page for the mini offer, an order form page, an upsell page, and a thank you page. Now, if you buy this specific template, you will also get this step-by-step guide along with the system.io template link that you'll get from me. This guide has everything that you need in order to make this funnel work for you. As you can see here in the first page, which is the overview, there is the link to system.io and then the chat GPT prompts that you can copy and paste to chat GPT with a free account so that you don't have to rewrite everything from the 4 pages that I've shown you earlier. Yes, you can just copy and paste it to chat GPT and then copy and paste it directly to system.io that fast. I will show you later how to do it, but for now, I just wanted to highlight this specific link to system.io. So just in case if you bought this funnel and you don't have any system.io account yet and it's your first time, I will put a link in the description where you can sign up for free. After that, please log in first to your system.io account before clicking this. Okay, so here's what it does if you click this link. As long as you're logged into your system.io account, you will be directed to your dashboard and you will see this mini offer sage green. You can see that its status is still in progress, but it only takes a second for it to complete. So you just have to refresh that and then you will be able to click this and start editing your funnel from there. Now, an important note, please make sure to edit this, the URL slug. Let's say let's change it to mini offer. And if you click that, it will be clean and is easy to understand. Now, as you can see, there's also a pop-up. So don't forget to edit that as well. You can edit it by going to the product page and then edit page and click this, the pop-ups, and click this gear icon right here and edit it according to your freebie. I highly suggest that your freebie should be something that is highly related to your mini offer. So it should be something that can give them really, really quick results because you still want them to purchase your mini offer, if that makes sense. And once they signed up here but didn't buy your mini offer, then you can reframe your email sequence for them to go back to your mini offer and buy it. So that's the main goal why we have a pop-up here in our offer page. Now here you can change everything from the colors. You can also change the fonts and sizes here under settings and the colors of the buttons, the backgrounds. You can change everything here. But I guess one thing that I like to point out is changing fonts colors can be really intuitive, especially here in system.io. One thing that is quite hard is creating the copy itself. So I made sure that when you buy this template, it's very easy for you to edit it. So in this step-by-step guide, I also created the ChatGPT page copy for all of the 4 pages. This is an example for the product page that we have. What you'll do is before copying everything after the prompt starts here, yes, everything here, please take some time to fill out the details here because this part right here is the information needed in order to create your page copy. So please don't skip it. Take time to really sit and fill in these details. So once you're done, you can go to ChatGPT. You can use a free account in ChatGPT. This is an example of what I made using these prompts right here, I took some time to create like an example mini offer, and then copied everything up to the bottom here to ChatGPT, and then it gave me the exact copy that I can copy and paste in system.io. So before you do anything on system.io, changing colors, changing the fonts, changing everything, please make this first because it's the most important part of your page. It's the copy, right? I tested this prompt already so that it gives you the exact structure of what you can see here in the product page. So you can just replace it for this example, copy this and replace it here. And then this one, replace it here. So please take time to copy and paste the text first before changing everything, before beautifying it, because that's the most important part of your page. Now, you can do the same for the order for page, the upsell page, and the thank you page. Just make sure before you copy and paste it, make sure to fill in the details where it is highlighted in red. Same with the upsell page. And in the thank you page, right here. Okay, and you have to paste them in the same thread where you made or you pasted the prompt for the mini offer product page, so that you don't have to provide the same details over and over again. I've already done it for this example right here. This is the order form page. It gave me this. And then for the upsell page, it gave me this. And lastly, the thank you page, it gave me this. Okay. And then here for the ChatGPT email copy prompts. So these are the email sequences that you can add to system.io. For the pop-up opt-in nurture sequence first. And then for the abandoned cart sequence and post-purchase sequence. So just a heads up, in order for this to work, you need to create campaigns on system.io and add the emails. And if it's your first time to do that, you can also check my video guides here and check this video that says how to create an email sequence on system.io. So in order to generate the email sequence, again, you just have to fill in the red parts right here and then copy everything else from where it says prompt starts here and then paste it in the same ChatGPT thread that you worked on earlier. So this is an example of what I did here for the opt-in email nurture sequence. And it automatically gave me the sequence overview, what each email does, when should I send it, what's the goal, the main topic, and the CTA. And the second part is the sending schedule. Third part, the most important part, are the email copy for each email. So you don't really have to write anything, but please make sure to read and edit accordingly if there's something that is missing or something that is not right. So make sure to read everything, make sure it's correct. Okay, so it gives all email copy for the 7 email sequence. Now for the abandoned cart sequence, these are for the people who tried to order or go to your order form page but didn't complete checkout. So you can send these emails to them, just copy the prompt here, and since everything is already fed in the chat GPT thread that we have, you just have to copy and paste the prompt, and then you will be able to get something similar to this. A 3 email sequence that encourages them to return to checkout and complete their purchase. So this is the full email copy, and also you can receive the best time windows when you can send the emails as well. Email 2 and then email 3, and lastly, for the post-purchase email sequence, you can also just copy and paste it directly to the same thread, and then you will be able to receive something like this. Email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5 email sequence. In this step-by-step guide, you'll also receive a guide to system.io. So if it's your first time, if you've never used system.io before, you can check this part right here on how to properly import the funnel to your system.io account. And lastly, the Canva guide. So this will also give you all the relevant images that you may need in order to make your funnel work. So the templates that I'm giving are mostly the images that you can see in the 4 pages. And I've also included 2 bonus digital product Canva templates that you can use to show your digital product like this. And you can also use this in your listings, like if you sell it on Etsy or if you're running some ads, you can use this to promote your digital products. And there's also another one right here. And everything is editable on a free Canva account. So basically, it's all you need to sell your own digital product, but with you saving hours, days, or even weeks of building something just to sell your digital product. Now, over time, I may add more video guides here that you may need because I really wanted this specific funnel to work for you. And if there are any updates about the product, you can surely check it in the link that you'll receive because it's a Google Doc link. So it's only shared for viewing. So just in case you want to edit this part right here, the details under the ChatGPT prompts, please just click file and then make a copy and then save it to your own drive so you can edit it yourself. But I highly recommend to still check this specific guide because I may put some updates of the product itself and you might miss it if you don't have this original Google Doc link. I just wanted to provide an advice on how you can make this mini offer funnel, edit it faster. Just please start with the copy. So as what I've shown earlier, generate the copy in ChatGPT using the prompts that I've given. And after that, you can go to the editor, and after that, you can edit the pages in the sales fun on your system.io account under sales funnels, and then go here, for example in the product page, edit this, and go to settings. You can edit the fonts here, the font style, the font sizes, but please note that since some of these are like this, like you have to highlight a specific word and then manually change the color of it. So in that case, you really have to manually update that specific word or specific phrase so it will change according to your brand. And then you can update the images, and don't forget about the pop-up. Make sure to go here, pop-ups, and then this gear icon, edit it with your freebie, and you can also change how you want to show this pop-up. So for example, there's someone who visit the product page, they go there, after 60 seconds this specific pop-up pops up. Okay, it pops up after 60 seconds, but you can make it a bit shorter than 60 seconds, like 30 seconds or longer than that. It depends. So you can also edit it here under the pop-ups. Now, aside from editing the copy, the images, the font styles, the colors of your funnel to fit your branding, this is also the important part. We have to connect it to a digital product. So in this example, under the order form, if someone buys your mini offer, it asks what they will get. So let's try to view this funnel first, specifically the order form. Then let's click view. So as you can see here, there is no order bump that appears because we haven't added any information of the order bump yet. So if you can see something like this is an example. Please add price plans. In this step, you have to go back, go to exit, and then go to order form. And you can see here the red parts right here. So the first one, the first offer type that we're gonna add is the specific mini offer that they can purchase once they go in the order page. In this case, we'll have a digital product, and you can add the digital product, your mini offer right here, by clicking this plus icon, and then you can see here the digital product name, like let's say mini offer, and then here the resources. So you can click this plus icon right here, and you can select a resource. It can be a course or a course bundle. Please make sure that you already have it under assets and then courses. So when they purchase this mini offer, they will be able to get immediate access of the course that you have if it's a course. Now, what if you want to deliver it through an email? So another option is by triggering the email with a tag. So for example, you want to deliver the download link to an email after they purchase your mini offer. So what you'll do, you'll create a tag under CRM, and then create a tag here under tags, and then make a rule that once they are tagged with this specific tag, let's say mini offer tag, then they will be able to receive this specific email. If that's the option that you want to have, you can click the resources and then select tags instead, and then make sure you already have created the tag, and then select the specific tag that you made. In this example, I will select the mini offer tag because this is what I've made. And then here under price plans, make sure not to skip it, because if you refresh this without adding the price plan, then this part right here for the resources won't be saved, and unfortunately you have to go through it all over again. So let's complete this part right here. Let's go to this plus icon, and then remember this part is still for the mini offer, so we have to select the one-time payment and then choose a specific price plan here. Now, I've already created this mini offer earlier, but just in case it's your first time to make something like this, you can click this create a one price plan. So let's try to create something here. I'll say mini offer, and then it's a one-time payment and it's 7 USD. Of course, instead of mini offer, you can make it like the specific name of your PDF. So it's up to you. And then let's hit save. Make sure there is no save button that appears right here. Otherwise, you really have to complete it in order for it to be saved. Now let's go down here. You can add the order bump here the same way that we've added the mini offer with the digital product, the resources, and the price plan. So you just have to go through it again, and that will help you have the order bump. Now, one more thing, I think this is one of the confusions, especially for someone who is new to system.io. So in order for this to show up like PayPal or maybe Stripe, you still need to set that up under settings in your payment plans or payment account. And then in the funnel itself, go here under funnel settings at the top right part of your funnel, and then make sure that it's checked, for example, PayPal or Stripe. If you have Stripe, I highly encourage to add that, because the difference is for PayPal, you can only show something like this. Like they have to click this button and then they will be brought to the PayPal site to pay. But if you have a Stripe, they will be able to put the details of their card right in this page. So moving on in this upsell page, the same thing that you have to do, make sure to select the digital product. And then in this case, let's try to add a course instead. And now let's try to do it again. Digital product. And then upsell course. And then let's click this plus button and then courses, and then select the sample course that I have. And then you can have different options here, but we want to give them full access after they purchased it. So in the price plans, we can again create a new price plan since we don't have any existing price plans for this upsell product that we have to create one. And it's, let's say, upsell course, copy it and make it $47, and it's tax exclusive, and then hit save. Now if you see another button that says save, make sure to hit save once again. Otherwise, the details that you have here won't be saved. So I think those are the really important parts of this funnel. Again, edit the 4 pages in this funnel, and then for each page, edit the slugs, and then add the digital products for the order form. And you can also add an order bump. Let's add an order bump here in the digital product, and then click plus, and then say order bump, and let's add resources. let's select like a tag, and then of course you can make another tag, but in this case we'll just use this mini offer tag. And then for the price plan, we can do it one-time payment. Let's create another price plan for the order bump. And then let's make it $17 and hit save. And then save again. So let's check. Go here under edit page. Now let's try to see the page of what it looks like. Okay, right now, since we've already added an order bump price plan, this order bump now shows here in the order form page. Even if you have a free system.io account, you can still add an order bump. Okay, so I think that's everything that you need to know. If you have any questions or you have any difficulties in updating this specific funnel, please let me know in the comment section and I'll take time to answer them. Thanks everyone. Bye.